Hello, so this is my final project for ECE 3700. So what this design is meant to do is a calculator. However, it's controlled from a computer that I'm on in this little window here, and the request is sent via Bluetooth using the UART serial protocol to the Basys3 FPGA, and then the result of the operation that it performed is sent back from the board to the computer and displayed on the screen. So I just kind of set up plus, minus, multiply, divide, XOR, OR, and just some pretty basic operations that I wanted to show. And yeah, so I have the board here. Get it. So the Bluetooth PMOD extension, the light is blinking because it's not connected, but then as soon as I hit connect, it'll connect. Okay, it's connected and the light stopped blinking. So now if I can do, like, let's do 2 plus 9, 11, and so then it showed the you know that it was done on the board because the solution also shows up on the LEDs as well. Let's see, and so then if I do 11 minus 26, let's do that. It's minus 15, so these are signed as well. And then if I do minus 15 times, say, minus 3, get positive 45. And then I can do 45 divided by 5. That's 9. So it works. Let's clear it out. Let's try 6 and 3. It's 2. So that works right. And then let's try 2 or 12. 14. So that works as well. And then lastly, let's try 15 XOR 5. So yeah, that works. And all the answers are displayed on the LEDs as well, as you saw. So yeah, essentially how it works, I've got a diagram that I drew up as I was preparing this. Here's the serial RX. This is what's being sent from the computer. And here's the receiver on the board. So the receiver module and the transmitter module, they're essentially identical to the ones I created for the class in earlier assignments. And then I have a loader module that handshakes with the receiver. And as the bytes are sent in, so one byte for value 1, another byte waits for the next byte, and then it loads value 2, waits for the third byte, loads the operation, and then as soon as all three are loaded, it hits go goes high, and then calculator will spit out the result and then tell the prepper to send. Prepper is another module that handshakes with the transmitter. It sends D out, so it'll send the first 8 bits because the result is 16 bits. It sends the first 8 bits first, waits for the transmitter to be done sending it, then sends the second byte, the second word, the more significant bits of the result through the transmitter. So yeah, it works. That's essentially what happens here. Yeah. Originally I was going to have it sent from between a mobile device and the Basys3 board, but there were some permissions issues that I was running into with getting the Python scripts, the Python interaction between the phone and the Bluetooth to the Bluetooth module on the board. There is an issue there, so this worked a little better for this purpose. So yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for a great class.